That's why I like the red and green. You can look at it. The white is a little much. Do those only come on when the gear come down? Alright, let me get out there and go nuts first. Oh yes. It's the same as always. I'll get it. Jingle bells. Gotta go a little off the side. There you go.
China cleared.
Well, we just got an addiction. We can't help it. I'm going out.
Gear up.
Oh, that looks cool.
That's what's up, Ray.
I'm digging that. Okay, I'm liking that. That looks cool.
All of them looks pretty cool. Frank's lights look like there's passenger lights.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Oh, I gotta land this. I can't see it from
Time
the front.
remaining 2 minutes.
Alright, you guys, until we meet again.
Okay, Ricky, thanks for having us out. It is definitely not easy to see, but
Yeah.
if you rely on the lights, you're good.
The problem is the ones at the front
Oh, too bright, blinding you?
blind me, yeah.
Yeah.
So I can't. I mean, I could still look at just the red and the green,
Right.
but it just makes. I need to adjust. My heart's freaking out. It's not worth it.
Time remaining 1 minute 12 seconds.
I'm going to do a low, somewhat slow in front of us.
Time remaining 1 minute. Seconds. Gear down. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Oh my God, that's hard to see. I couldn't see a thing. I was just looking at lights. I couldn't tell what the hell it was doing. I'm like, I don't know what it's doing. I just have to trust the lights. All right, that's it. Woo! Thanks very much for the lights, Nate. They look really good. Super good, in fact. The cool thing about these lights is that they shine up on the vertical stabilizer. so you can see them. All right, that's good.